Welcome! In front of me I have Suunto Race and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this watch. First we need to open the settings on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the middle button. After the settings open, find the general option and tap on it to enter. Here, scroll down and find the option called power off. It's gonna be at the bottom of the menu, and once you find it, tap on it. Then tap on power off at the top to confirm, and the watch will turn off after a couple of seconds. Like this. And that's how you turn off this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.